What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for a Jurassic World Velocicoaster construction update. What? You said Jurassic World Velocicoaster and not Jurassic Roller Coaster Project? Yes, that's right. So just in the last couple days, Universal Orlando had a little bit of a leak, it looked like, on their website, stating the name and a possible opening of summer 2021. There's a lot to see and do inside the park, though. Let's go! There doesn't appear to be too many changes here for the rumored Universal Studios store. Still have those trusses and overhangs. Hello again, Lighthouse. Good to see you. Yep, that's right. We're back at Islands of Adventure. Ticket windows are not busy. Turnstiles on the right are not being used. And the ones on the left are open with not much of a wait. So, new this week, they're making you scan your fingerprints. Yep, no wait to get through the front. And all that jazz. It's a little bit different, of course, having to scan our fingers. We haven't done that in many, many months. But anywho, we're on our way. Alrighty, guys, let's check out the wait times. The park is open until 6 p.m. We can see Hulk right now at 15 minutes. Doctor Doom, 10 minutes. Spider-Man closed, 35 minutes for Kong. Forbidden Journey, 35 minutes. We can see Seuss Trolley at 25 minutes, 15 minutes for Fly of the Hippogriff. On the last page here, we see Hogwarts Express, 60 minutes. Jurassic Park River Adventure, 25 minutes, and Dudley Do Rides at 45 minutes. And there it is, the Jurassic World Velocicoaster. I know, a lot to digest. As it's been about a week since I personally have been here, I'm seeing new steel framework for an outdoor queue, new paint, scaffolding is down around the rocks, and of course the LSMs at the very top, well, they have a new position for them. Guys, how you doing? Thank you, I appreciate it. Good to see you, Spider-Man. Good to see you, Storm.
You know, I think Peter Parker would.
Yeah, I think Peter Parker would like this kind of cameras. And Storm, we got a lot of clouds around. Hopefully you're not summoning anything.
No, I am actually.
Okay, that's not good. Not for me, at least. I want to enjoy the day at the park, but...
It won't last for long? Does that give you some...
Yeah, that gives me some hope. Okay. Some hope. At least I can enjoy the day. Yeah, Spider-Man... Everything been good for you, bud?
Oh yeah, I can't complain.
Good stuff. I agree. Thank you guys for keeping everybody safe. Take care. Thank you.
Enjoy your day. Thanks for seeing us.
Well, we're flying some steel, and I think this is for the outdoor queue. It's a little tough to see through all of the supports, but we can see new steel framework right there for the outdoor queue. In our last couple updates, we showed a train that was doing a pull-through, and now we have a second train in the second launch tunnel. The base of the foundations over here are all done when it comes to their concrete work. Alright, so now we're over here by Jurassic Park River Adventure, and a lot of the scaffolding is coming down, revealing that beautiful rock work. In addition, we have for the walls some slots where you're actually going to be able to see into the ride area. So it's not going to be all walls. And we also have eggs. You can also see a bunch of new paint on the steel frame here. We used to have employee signatures. Well, no more. As of right now, a bunch of scaffolding is coming down, so I'm expecting within the next couple days, all of it will be down. We can see right over here, directly across from the Raptor encounter, well, there's also another viewing area.
All right,
we said just a little bit earlier ago that the Ellison motors have changed positions? Well, let's show you that a little bit closer. Here we can see a little bit of framework, and that's been up for quite a while, but the stairs leading up to it are new, and I'm wondering if this is going to be possibly for the exit. I don't know. We'll see. Over here by the bypass bridge, well, it's still blocked off, and you remember we had some points on the supports for netting? Well, they've gotten some new steel framework for that netting. The rumored locker area over here by Forbidden Journey is seeing a ton of work now, as there's a bunch of rock work on the left-hand side and scaffolding all over. Darn you, Storm. I thought I said no rain. That's a little bit creepy. Storm said the rain wouldn't last long, and it didn't. This area over here is finally seeing some work, and it looks like the drive pile machine might be removing them now. Over here, another one of those weird supports for the netting is in place. Scuba Steve! And he's cutting. Jurassic World Velocicoaster, Velocifishies. Well guys, that's going to do it for another update here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World Velocicoaster project, and I'm happy to say there's been a decent amount of progress. We now have a steel structure up for the outdoor queue. A lot of scaffolding is down around the rockwork, and hopefully we're going to have that pull-through continuing over the next couple days. Thanks to Storm, well, she gave us a perfect prediction as to the weather, and we hope that we're going to have more of that coming up in the next couple days. We're going to have more updates, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.